Hello, hello, hello. I'm Kika from Kika's Clips. Today we will be drawing up porcini mushroom. I will be just using the iPad and the Procreate app. Grab whatever supplies you'd like to use. Maybe you have a tablet or a phone. I'll be just using a sketching pencil and let's get started. Let's begin with drawing just an oval. Like so. Whatever you're using, just make sure it's a pencil or a light pencil crayon, a very light color, so you can be able to erase or color over it after. And then draw ever so slightly what looks like a oval rounded off shape to the one side. So then it'll look like the mushroom's kind of picking up a little bit. I realized I drew that a little too big. There we go. Draw on the mushroom top. Nice and rounded, foofy looking mushroom. And the stem, start in the middle, focus where that oval guide is. So about here. Draw 2 lines down and then start curving them out. The bottom of these porcini mushrooms are quite wide. Not as wide as the mushroom cap, but much more than the start. Like so. And sometimes they kind of protrude out to one side a little bit more, like so. Oops, I'm erasing. There you go. Voila. We can add a few more guidelines, starting from where the stem is out. Slightly curved lines to show some more detail. And now I'm just going to use my pencil as shading. So I'll start off by erasing. You can now outline your mushroom, your porcini mushroom, with a darker color and color it in. Or continue just with your pencil or pencil crayon. But I am curious to know which art supplies you use, whether you did just go with a pencil or not. These mushrooms are usually really red. But you can choose whatever color you like. And as you're shading and holding your pencil or maybe a pencil crayon off to the side, turn your page, makes your life much easier. Change my brush to a smooth pencil brush. Easier for shading. Now the bottom of that cap, they're usually like a yellowy color. I'm just gonna go lighter pink. My whole mushroom is gonna be pink. And then the stems are usually like a white, beige color. But mine will be very, very light pink. So slowly adding details, adding more color. And I'll go back and add those line details again, grabbing that. And I'm just going to outline the edge a little bit more so you can see that more clearly where the colors meet. Nice, I like that. Add in a little bit more shading here. And you can imagine that the top of the mushroom is getting the most light. So on this side, you can add a little bit of a darker color. Not erase, I want to add color. Or if you're just using the pencils, make this area more opaque. Or maybe you shaded it already with your pencil and you're just adding some pencil crayon color shading on top. That'll look really cool too. I thought I was just gonna start off with one color, and look at me, I'm already on my third one. I just love using color. Oh, that looks awesome. So now I need to grab a really light pink for the stem. Beautiful. I will grab a little bit of a darker pink to draw some details on the mushroom stem. And usually mushrooms have a little bit, few lines, a few marks. I'm just gonna keep them all on this side. Maybe you want to add some roots. Maybe the mushroom just got pulled from the ground. But I'm just gonna add some wobbly circular like oval marks, a few lines. Like so. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Oh, I don't think that's the right color. And just rounding this top part out again. And if you have an eraser, if you're using just your pencil, erase a little bit on the top here to add some highlights. Or grab a really light color of some sort. Just get that top area. And we have our mushroom complete. Simple mushroom, very fun looking. Maybe a turquoise background. Oh, a light blue. I'll go with the light blue background. Oh, let me just... Beautiful. We have our mushroom complete. So our next video, or our last video with the mushrooms, we'll be creating our mushroom village. We have 5 mushrooms that we practiced drawing. Come back, we're gonna draw a fun looking village with all of our different mushrooms. Add some doors, windows, maybe some signs for like a movie theater or something. It'll be a lot of fun. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up so you can see that video when it comes out. See you soon.